V8 engine. And this V8 engine is present for browsers as well as node environments. So what are the phases in which your program gets interpreted or compiled, right? So in JavaScript, your program is first parsed and something called as an abstract syntax tree is formed. And this abstract syntax tree is converted to bytecode. And this bytecode is then converted to machine code. And this machine code runs on the CPU, right? So what is a parser? It identifies certain things like a keyword, identifier, some symbols, and some strings literals. And then it converts it to a tree structure, which is then called as an abstract syntax tree. Ignition is an inbuilt interpreter that is present in a V8 engine. And this interpreter takes your abstract syntax tree and it creates bytecode out of it. But there is something else, which is a compiler. So an interpreter and a compiler both exist in a V8 engine. And what is the role of this compiler? This compiler is known as turbofan compiler. What it does is that it optimizes your bytecode, right? So your ignition interpreter will give some bytecode to your turbofan compiler and it will optimize that bytecode and it will return a new bytecode which can be then treated as a machine code and run on some machines.